Ruger Old Army Black Powder Revolver has an 18th century look with a 20th century design. You can easily field strip your Old Army without any specialized tools for routine maintenance, but today we're going to show you how to completely disassemble it for a thorough cleaning. To do a proper job, you will need several flat bit screwdrivers that precisely fits the slot in the screw, a small drift punch, as well as the disassembly pin. If you don't have one, a finishing nail works well. You will also need the nipple wrench supplied with your Old Army revolver. Choose a large, flat surface to work from and lay an old cloth or blanket to protect the area as well as your gun's finish. We recommend wearing eye protection whenever you work on a firearm. Remember, safety first. Keep the revolver pointed in a safe direction and keep your finger off the trigger. Pull the hammer to the half-cock position and check every nipple to make sure that there are no caps. Also, keeping it pointed in a safe direction, check every chamber to make sure they're all unloaded. Let's start by removing the cylinder. On the right side of the frame, turn the base pin and retaining pin counterclockwise until it stops. Unlatch the rammer and pull it forward to remove the cylinder. The cylinder can be removed in either direction. If you have a 7.5-inch barrel, remove the base pin assembly from the frame to remove the cylinder. Unscrew and remove the grips from the grip frame. Draw the hammer back fully and insert a disassembly pin into the small hole in the mainspring strut assembly. Unscrew the 5 grip frame screws, keeping track of what screw came out of which holes. Then separate the grip frame from the cylinder frame, being careful not to lose the pawl spring and plunger, the mainspring strut assembly, or the trigger spring and plunger. Remove the hammer pivot screw, hammer and pawl. Remove the trigger pivot screw and trigger. With a small screwdriver, free the fixed leg of the cylinder latch spring from its anchoring hole in the sidewall of the cylinder frame. Remove the cylinder latch pivot, cylinder latch and spring. Lastly, remove the hammer plunger with a small drift like this. Be careful removing these parts as the springs are designed to seat securely in their holes to prevent accidentally losing them. To thoroughly clean the cylinder, you will need to remove the nipples with a wrench provided with your Old Army revolver. This is as far as you need to go in disassembling the Ruger Old Army Black Powder Revolver for inspection and maintenance. For proper cleaning procedures, check out our cleaning video, and thanks for watching this Ruger Tech tip.